everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a little bit of a day to night look. So we're just going to start off. I've just got straight hair, so I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup. So all I've got on at the moment is my Inoxa CC tinted cream, then I've got my Australis Fresh and Flawless and a little bit of blush. So yeah, we're gonna go straight from here, a full blown, yeah, get ready day to night little. So I feel like the coverage on my face is really good. I think there's a little bit of oil that needs to be cleaned up, but that's okay. So first I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral, and my mirror is never facing me. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some under my eyes and then just some on the side of my nose. And then just blend that in. I'm just gonna put some in the middle here, just not taking any more, just whatever's left. Next, I'm going to take a product that I've really been loving lately, and that is the Revolution Banana Powder, the Banana Light one. I just love this stuff. I don't get any flashback from it, and whenever I've been doing like a day to night thing, because obviously I'll wear makeup during the day, and if we have like plans at night, I'll just like pop this underneath, like wear, even if I'm wearing concealer, and it makes such a difference. I love it. So you are supposed to bake with it, but the only thing I don't like about it is that you really can't, I mean, you've got to like tip it out. Thankfully I have like a pointy brush that fits like right in there, but I just can't be bothered to get my beauty blender in there. So I just kind of push it in, and I find that that gives me like the result I want. Just taking some extra on like my brow bone and up on my forehead. Not like any extra product or anything, but just because my eyelids get really like shiny. For anything else, I am gonna go in with brows. I just like this little blonde brow pencil, yeah, brow, yep, in light from Kmart. It's like $3. And it's honestly so good. Next, I am just going to go in with some powder. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this translucent setting powder from Savvy. This actually, like, I take like a lot of flash photos, and this doesn't have any flashback, so I'm just gonna pop some on. It's been a really humid day. And then on my cheeks I have like a little bit of a breakout. Well, not a little bit, it's like a farm down there. So I'm gonna pop my Australis Fresh and Flawless powder in Deep Natural, and if you have never tried this, it is like super full coverage powder. Like, I'll wear this on my own. On its own, because it just has so much coverage. Then for bronzer, I'm going to be going in with the, what's this, Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte. Then I'm going to take Princess Cut, which is probably the lightest, yeah, the lightest matte shade in there, and we're just gonna pop it in. Then with the same color, I'm just going to go in with a little fluffy brush and put some on the side of my nose and screw it up. this is probably another reason why I just love this palette. I'm going to take the shade Enhance, which is this one right here. And they have one for like more pink undertones and this one's more for yellow undertones. So I'm just going to take this. It's matte and I'm just going to pop it down the side of my nose where we put the concealer and just pop it like there. I don't know why, but whenever I take photos I have this really like weird shadow on the side of my nose, and when I do this it assists very mildly. I've got a really shadowy nose. It's very inconvenient. Okay. And then I'll probably, oh my god, go back in with that same brush and just kind of blend it. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with blush. So for blush, I'm taking the Mecca Maxima Skin Halo Diamond Dust in Rose Gold. I already have blush on, but not after all that concealer I just put on. Probably doesn't exist anymore. This one has shimmer in it too, so it looks really, really pretty in photos. Also, I don't know if the sun is playing with me or not. It's 5:15. It's 5:15. So I'm running out of time probably. I mean, at least you know this is an authentic day to night look. Next shade I'm going to be taking is this tiny little mini from NARS, and this is Laguna. And I'm just going to take a wee bit of that here on my brush and just put it there. Then I'm taking another mini from NARS, and this is Fort de France, and it's a little like gold champagne-y highlighter. So, whoa. Alright, I'm just going to do a little bit of eyeshadow. I really wasn't going to, but why not? So I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade first. This one here. I'm going to run that under my little lash line too. Okay, I wasn't going to do a shimmer, but I kind of feel like doing a shimmer. So next I'm going to take this deeper color right here. And then we'll pop a shimmer in after. Alright, that's done with that palette. Then I'm going to take my Morphe 35G Bronze Gold palette. And I'm going to take this color right here. It has a name. It's called Beach Mood. Oh, wait, that's not Beach Mood. It's called Sexy Beach. Maybe that does not work with that brush. Oh my god, slightly better, but not really. Confused because the color I did the other day, like even the first swatch on my eyelid, it still came out like pigmented. This one's a lot tougher. I'm not too sure if I'm supposed to use this wet or dry. Alright, eyes are done. Oh, actually I'll slap in some mascara. Put in the outfit. Oh do my lips. I'll do it now. The combo I always wear is Centerfold by Chi Chi. I always have this on. Okay, now that all the makeup is done, let the fun begin. So I'm going to be doing something real cute with my hair, and for that I am using some clip-in hair extensions. I know the shade is 613 Platinum Blonde, but I will have all like the information and the links to it down below. These are from Eden Hair Extensions, and they were nice enough to send these to me, and I literally cannot wait to curl them. I have been wanting to curl them since the moment I saw them. Like, sorry, they're all nice and straight. I actually feel kind of bad, like, because they're so nice and perfectly straight, but I love curly hair. Alright, so this had more pieces in the set, but I think I've got 6 pieces. I've got 6 pieces for my hair today, so I'm just going to show you guys how I apply them. So this is my hair. I just had it cut. I have it cut in a V, and that's very, very convenient. It's like layered. I wanted it blunt, but it doesn't work for like extensions and stuff, and I love wearing extensions, so I just have it cut. It's like just at my boobs, so not very long, but I love my hair. But yeah, let's do it. So I've got my curling one on. I have put heat protectant on my hair and the extensions, and so the first thing I'm going to do is just section my hair, probably a little bit lower than this. So I just like to get it up as high as possible because I want it out of the way. I'm going to take the first one, which is a 2-piece clip. Just make sure it feels comfortable before you let the hair down, because obviously it's going to be in all night and you don't want to be uncomfortable. So I'm going to take the next section, which is going to be a 3-piece. Okay, next bit, 3-piece. Next one's going to be the 4-piece, which is the biggest one. I just like to do this to make sure that all the hair is like not in it. Okay, so this is our progress so far. Not showing at the back, which is good. Then we're going to take some here. Not too sure. I do have another 2-piece one, and I'm not too sure if I'm going to put that one in. And then the same on this side. Okay, so, oh gosh, I can't even see. This is them here. That's only 5 pieces, so you can imagine how much amazing thickness you are gonna get from the whole set. But yeah, okay. My camera just stopped recording quickly, but I just added another 1 piece under the other. Oh, I can't even find it. That's how similar. Okay, so I've got 1 piece here, and then I've just added another one underneath on both sides. I just really like the 1 pieces. They're really cute. I'm just gonna start off in sections. So I'm just gonna take like inch sections here and start wrapping the hair around. Probably leave it on for about 10 seconds. And I like to have them in while I'm doing this, because then I can curl my own hair at the same time and kind of like curl into it. So I'll just like grab both of them at the same time. If you've never curled hair with a wand before, I would definitely recommend a heat-proof glove. Normally I will wear one, but I'm really lazy. Okay, this is the comparison. Really hope this like lighting isn't astronomically horrible, but yeah. So I am just gonna go and brush some of these. I don't ever put hairspray in mine, just personal preference. I just kind of play with it like this, but I never put hairspray in it because it really weighs it down, and then it's crunchy and it's gross, and my hair normally holds till the next day, so I don't want to like wreck it. So yeah, alright, now for the outfit. I'm really hoping the lighting is not as bad as I think it is, but I really think it is, because look at the difference that my flashlight makes. So this is the hair all done. So I just kind of put some product in it and just scrunched it. I feel like that's the best technique, especially I feel like an idiot with all this up. Am I holding up my phone up? But yeah, that is the finished look. Oh, I really hope that this lighting is not terrible. Oh, I reckon it is. Whoopsies. But yeah, that is it for this little tutorial from day to night. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you want to see in my video next time. I am going to do a few more hair tutorials, so that will be nice and fun. But I'll give you one last look at these ones. I just love them. I love the length. It comes like right to my rib cage. But yeah, super cute, super fun, and flirty. And yeah, that is it for this video. Hopefully I get a really good photo for the thumbnail tonight. Who knows? But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!